welcome to an Annielife video, and in today's video I'll be making a chaos cake because I can't remember the recipe, so hopefully it works. The first thing I will do is put the butter into the bowl. Now I have put some butter in the bowl, I will then put the sugar in the bowl. Now, normally I would use granulated, but I can't find it, so I've decided to use brown sugar instead. And hopefully it will turn out okay. Here is what it should look like. A brown poo. I was just corrected by Josh. He said to say a brown mixture, not a brown poo. Next, I'll add 1 egg and see how wet it is, and then possibly a second egg. Here is me mixing in the egg. My cake has split, unfortunately, but fortunately there is a solution. Add some flour and hope it doesn't ruin. How much flour? I have no idea. I'll start with this much. Now time for more whisking. That's horrible. My mixture is still split, so I'll use more flour. That should do. I have now added all the flour, and it looks like this. It now looks like chocolate, and not this. Now, I'm going to add in something else, and I don't know what it is yet. I am back. I found some coconut in the cupboard, and hopefully that will make it more appealing. If I could open it. Oh! The coconut has exploded everywhere. It's up my sleeve. Sorry about that. The coconut exploded. I'm gonna add about this much coconut. It's all up my sleeve. I will now mix in the coconut and get it all out my sleeve. Right, I will be back after mixing. Now, it still doesn't look very appealing, so I'll see what else I can find in the cupboard. In the cupboard, I found some sprinkles, and sprinkles make everything look better, so let's add them to the mix. I have now finished my mix, and it looks like this. You cannot see the sprinkles at all. They were a pointless addition. Now I will go and find a tray, and I'll be back. I am back. I've just remembered to turn on the oven. Now, the next thing I need to do is put the cake into this tray. So I'll be back after that. Now I have put the cake in the tin. I was reminded that I should probably have greased it first. Oh well. I will now put it in the oven. Now the cake is in the oven, I will clean up the monstrosity of mess that is the coconut. There is the coconut explosion. It exploded everywhere. The surface is now cleaned up. Unlike me, who took all up my arm. How did it happen? I don't know. I have now got the cake out of the oven. It looks like a cake. Hopefully it will taste like a cake. We'll see in about 10 minutes. Here is the cake afterwards. The bottom got stuck a little bit, but other than that, it looks pretty good. Now there's only one thing left to do, and that is to taste it. Hello, it is now time to try the cake. Are you looking forward to it, Joshi?
You called it poo earlier.
Let's try it. I think I forgot something. Oh, I forgot the vanilla extract.
This cake tastes horrible.
That is Josh's opinion. Hello, I'm filming a walk, so I cannot use cameras. It's all up my sleeve.